Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to record meetings with Otter AI in 2026. If you want to automatically record, transcribe, and organize your meeting notes, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure your microphone permissions are enabled so Otter can capture audio during the meeting. Next, if you're recording an in-person meeting or a conversation on your computer, click the Record button at the top of the dashboard. Otter will immediately begin recording and creating a live transcript as people speak. Now, if you're using Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, Otter recommends using Otter Notetaker. After connecting your calendar and meeting platform, the Notetaker can automatically join supported meetings, record the conversation, and generate AI notes in real time. During the meeting, you can watch the transcript appear live on your screen. If needed, you can pause or resume the recording at any time without losing your previous notes. Next, once the meeting is finished, click Stop Recording. Otter will process the recording and save both the audio and transcript to your account. Depending on the meeting length, processing may take a few moments. Now open the completed conversation to review the transcript. You can edit any mistakes, highlight important points, rename the meeting, and use the AI-generated summary to quickly review what was discussed. Finally, share the transcript with your teammates or export it if you need to keep a copy for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to record meetings with Otter AI step by step. You can now capture conversations, generate accurate transcripts, and keep all your meeting notes organized in one place. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.